Let's see if I'm going to rub the spring on the earring. We can continue use the piece of the wire here. I cut it 50 centimeter. Okay, then let's wrap it. Here, wrap it several times. Here, we are going to string the wire inside the spring. So spring not only make the bangle here, we can use it to make the earring. Also, you see wire inside the spring here. Then we can start to tight here and bend it here. So the small cute piece can be wrapped. Okay, you can wrap it tight to make it as a here. This is one of the way effect. Here, you see, and this technique not only make the earring, you can use it to make a bangle on the memory wire bangle. Okay, finish. After finish it here, you see we cut the wire. You are only cut the wire spring, not cut the wire in the middle. So cut only here. We cut only the spring, we not cut the middle wire. Middle wire need to make the end to wrap it tight. Okay. So the last step is we will be glue it the end to keep the wire not move. If I serve the gel, I can rub the earring. I don't understand SURVIVE the letter. Need to translate what is the meaning. Live through. Okay, when I'm through the gel, I can rub the earring. Yes. Okay, so here we use this glue. F6000 is the glue that's to position here the wire not move. Okay, here, tight it. Okay, and another side the same. Yeah, the purpose is to put here, let the wire position here not move. Okay. So it come out the earring effect here, you change it to a new design.